It's Wednesday, February 14th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Patato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And we begin with what could be an unparalleled disaster for the normally robust BC winemaking sector. The wrath of Mother Nature, with a just-released report on January's Okanagan deep freeze, suggesting the region's grape harvest and wine production could be 97 to 99% below normal this year. In other words, a near total wipeout. Also out of BC today, there's more bad news, with ongoing evidence of the struggles facing lumber producers. Vancouver-based Western Forest Products showing a fourth quarter loss of $14.3 million. They were $17.4 million in the hole a year ago. Thank you for choosing one of Canada's most listened to business podcasts, heard around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcast. Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Patato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to beautiful BC? Eric is your Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. It's a happy Valentine's Day for Barrick Gold shareholders, with the Toronto-based mining giant reporting an impressive bottom line while predicting higher production. A full-year 2023 profit of $1.27 billion compared to $432 million in 2022. Another Toronto-based miner, though, falls short of analyst expectations. New Gold, which has its main operations in Ontario and BC, posting a sharply higher Q4 loss of $27.4 million. There may be hope yet for a proposed open-pit coal mine in the Alberta Rockies. A federal court ruling citing a lack of consultation with nearby First Nations for a decision to toss a government decision rejecting the project. Notable for Magna International investors, the auto parts giant announcing plans to buy back around 300,000 shares over the next 12 months. And follow the money, one of Canada's largest pension plans, Alberta Investment Management Co., unveiling plans to open a New York office as part of a strategy to grow its $6 billion private credit fund by at least a couple of billion in the next 5 years. And with that, you're up to date for this Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.